I was just listening to my voice on a recording. I know to you it sounds like me. To me, it's so foreign and cringy that it threatens to make me shut down and not be able to edit. Luckily, I thought of a way around this, a way to edit without having to listen to my own voice. The trick is to get the tissues really in there. You gotta, yeah, I can't hear myself now, so now I can edit.
But I'm hard at work in developing what I hope will be
Yep,
a fun,
I can't hear that at all.
informative,
This will be great now.
to celebrate life.